Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Begum here. Hope you're all safe and well. I just thought I'd share a quick Father's Day card idea with you as Father's Day is coming up. So let's get started. The things that you'll need is an A4 coloured piece of card, a pencil, some crayons, glue stick, scissors and plain paper. Okay, so to get started, what we need to do is fold our card in half, okay, giving it a good crease. Once folded, what we're going to do is cut our card from the top, okay? So we're not going to cut all the way, so our open edge side is here, so we're just going to cut across and stop about there. Okay, we're going to do the same on the other side and stop about there. Okay, so that means looks something like that. Okay, then we're going to go on the inside and just going to slip one part off if you don't need it. Once that is done, we're just going to fold these flaps in to make it look like that. So far, it should be looking like a colour flap. Okay, once we've done that, we're going to get our plain paper and we're going to draw the shape of a tie. Okay, and then we're going to cut that out. Once we've cut that out, just going to place it underneath here to see how it looks. So it'll look something like that. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of my pencil marks, make it a little bit more neater. I'm going to quickly decorate my tie. Few circles, you can do stripes, any other patterns that you can think of. I'm just doing a spotty tie. And one more. I think that's enough spots to go on there. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to position it how I want it. I think about there will do. I'm going to start gluing it all down. So what I'm going to do is just glue everything first. Going to stick my tie and then just going to get it positioned right first. Then I'm just going to press down the glue and make sure it's done. Once that's done, I'm going to create a quick pocket for the side. So again, just going to do a quick pocket for my shirt. I'm going to stick that here, okay. Then I'm going to decorate my pocket. As well. So inside the card you can write your message, whatever you like to say, and that's it. I hope you enjoy that, guys, and try it out and let us know how you get on. Take care, bye bye.